Alright. Bob's waiting.
Bob's your uncle. Yo, I think someone just tapped me. I swear to God, unless my line went like weird, I went to go reel up and I had tension for a sec.
Yeah,
okay.
Oh, big fish, man, big fish there.
At the bottom. Look at it's just flying. Let me wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning, get on my speedboat that's bright blue, and drive across the lake and wake everyone up.
Oh, it's coming back.
No, reel. No, reel, moving. Follow, please go.
Ooh, you some, I don't, I got 10-pound line on the end of this.
You do your thing.
It's right here.
Yeah.
You got the net?
He's not here yet.
Yeah, he is. He's right here. Then.
I got it.
Yeah, let's go. This guy has a necklace in there. Oh, let's go. Whoa! I'm sorry. Stanley, I passed the test. Oh, shit.
Nice one.
Yeah.
That's a nice one, huh?
Yeah, it's nice. This is the one you like to eat, huh? This is your favorite one.
The phone's right there.
God.
Stanley says,
You passed probation or what?
Stanley, I passed probation?
Now we have to buy the beer.
Okay.
Who got the fish? Who got the fish by the beer, no?
Yeah,
I'll buy a beer.
that's it. And it's 4.8.
4.8.
Yeah.
Awesome. Alex, I passed probation. Stanley, I passed probation. Finally. This is amazing. I finally caught a good one. 4.5 pounds roughly.
Yeah.
Beautiful fish.
Yeah.
It's gonna be great eating too. Finally, eh?
That's it, man. You
Finally.
passed probation, bro. Chris is gonna come up to us.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's coming up. It's coming up. It's coming up.
There's two.
It's coming up. It's coming up. And
He's gonna go back down. We should reel slow. When it starts getting to like that point where it's like
just underneath.
just slowly start going up so we have some action.
Something small. Something little.
It's okay.
Little trout?
Wait.
You couldn't even see him on the radar.
Maybe a twin thing for you.
Is
Oh
it?
yeah, it's a twin thing.
Okay, give it to me.
No?
It's okay.
Oh, Stanley! That's it, the vibrato.
You gonna kiss it for good luck or what?
You gotta kiss it for good luck. But you hooks it, you never know. You gotta give it a kiss. Tell the video.
Bring the daddy.
That's it. Oh, he's going in the
You
cooler.
want him in the cooler?
No.
Hey.
You want that? Yeah, but
Oh.
no? Small one?
Stanley's catching all the small ones. Let's go. It's okay.
Small guy. Alex, big guy. Small guy.
You want the net or what?
Alex, something went down. Is that you? Something went
No.
low. Something went low. Get ready. See if it's gonna come back up.
Oh, the fish shot up quick, huh?
Yeah, it's hard to see, eh? We couldn't see that one. That's it, Stanley. Good job. Another one. Oh.
Oh, that one's going.
He's saying, "Mommy."
Oh, my friend once catch like that. Start to cry.
Now you're gonna catch an even bigger one. They're active today. I like that. Oh, he hit me.
Did he?
Yeah, he hit me. God. He hit me. No.
Son of a bitch.
He hit me.
Yeah, okay, go down.
8'6", medium heavy.
What's your name?
Daiwa.
Oh, there.
He's at the bottom, Stanley. He's at the bottom.
Yeah, he's back at the bottom.
He hit me, man.
He tapped you?
Yep.
See how it works, nice? Huh?
Stanley's the man. Stanley the man.
Teach
I
you
like
once.
I like that.
Yeah, the only way.
Yeah, keep it.
Oh, come on. Don't do this now.
Yeah, they look at something wrong, they follow you.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I like that. I like that type of fishing too. That's a good method, man. It works good.
As soon as you get their attention. Oh, it's coming up, Alex, again.
Maybe a little bit bigger, but okay.
That's it, Stanley.
That's the day, huh?
Yeah.
This is-
Today's the day, buddy.
You said the vibrato's not going to do it. Now the vibrato's doing it, eh?
Pretty soon it's
But
going
not big one, the little one, because they don't know what you're doing.
There you go, a little bigger. Let's go, Stanley. Let's go, Stanley. Yeah. That's it. Get ready, Stanley. It's coming up. It's coming up. Oh, it's going back down now. It followed for a long time, eh? He's going back down. Oh, double up, boys! Double up! Oh, yo, it's stuck! There you go. What was I stuck on? Nice one, Alex. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Let's go. Got another one. Yo, this one's fatter though. Roughly maybe the same length.
I think this one's fatter.
Close. I think yours might be a little bigger though. Yours is gonna be fatter. Let's see what we got on the weight.
5, 6.
5, 6. Yeah, yours is fatter.
Yeah.
Good shit, dude. Good shit. Let's go. Let's go, Stanley. Let's go, Stanley.
One is bottom, one is higher.
And you sit.
Soon I saw it. Oh my god!
Hey, they don't hit on the vibrato or what?
That's a nice one. Stanley, we're gonna need another cooler, buddy.
I told you this morning.
Beautiful. Another one. Let's go, Stanley. You're on fire. You're number 4. 4.
That is better, huh?
Jeez.
No.
That's a big fish. That's a very big fish.
That's it, buddy. That's it, buddy. That is it, buddy.
Let's go. Let's go, another one. Today's a good day.
Today's a good day.
Today, oh, fish bottom, Stanley. Fish bottom. Good job, Alex. Yeah, boy. Oh yeah, he's shooting up at one of us. He's coming. Yeah, he's stuck. Ooh, he came out of nowhere. Oh, you got the heavier weight on, don't you?
The one that
Ooh. Yeah, look, I hit something, see? Look. Yeah, I hit something. Something hit my bait. The school of fish. Small fish. I don't take chances.
Huh?
Yeah, yeah. That's a good one. coming up. We got leader. Let's go! Stanley, get a bigger cooler! Stanley, look, get a bigger cooler! Get a bigger cooler! Woo! Yeah! Let's go! Let's go! Alex, what was the picture we're gonna get? Like this. Great timing, eh? Great timing. God damn. Coming down good? It was a good day of fishing though. Oh, that's all blurry because I'm wearing, I was in the rain. That's all blurry because I'm wearing, look at that.